Hello children, welcome back to the e-learning class. Today we are going to learn more about conjunctions, because and but.
Conjunctions are connections between phrases, words, and clauses. When we choose conjunctions, better think about their purpose. We've gotta connect, we've gotta connect, we've gotta connect some words. Give me some conjunctions so I can connect some words. And means adding info or means that there's a choice. So and because show cause and effect. But shows a difference or an unexpected twist. We gotta choose conjunctions based on what the meaning is. Conjunctions are connections between phrases, words, and clauses. When we choose conjunctions, better think about their purpose. We've gotta connect, we've gotta connect, we've gotta connect some words. Give me some conjunctions so I can connect some words. And means adding info or means that there's a choice. So and because show cause and effect. But shows a difference or an unexpected twist. We gotta choose conjunctions based on what the meaning is. Conjunctions are connections between phrases, words, and clauses. When we choose conjunctions, better think about their purpose. We've gotta connect, we've gotta connect, we've gotta connect some words. Give me some conjunctions so I can connect some words.
A conjunction is a word that joins two nouns, phrases, or sentences. In a short, we can call conjunctions are joining words. Children, we learnt about conjunctions and or in earlier video. Today we are going to learn different words which are conjunctions to because and but. Conjunction because. Children, you can use because to link things together. Conjunction because is used when we give a reason for something. It helps you to talk about a reason. We can combine two sentences with because. Because introduces the reason for a situation. Now children, let us combine two sentences using because. He has won a prize. He is very happy. Why is he very happy? He is very happy as he has won a prize. Children, here he is very happy. This is a situation. And he has won a prize. This is a reason. So, how will we join these two sentences? He is very happy because he has won a prize. Children, whenever we use conjunctions, we should not use comma. Let us see one more example. The baby was hungry. He cried. Children, here he cried. The baby cried. Why did he cry? He cried as he was hungry. Here he cried, the baby cried is a situation. Then how will be writing these two sentences? The baby cried because he was hungry. He was hungry. This is a reason. Let us see a few more examples. It can fly because it has wings. am sad because it is raining. He can't play because he is busy. She likes cars because they are fast. Let us go to the next conjunction but. We can use but when two things are very different or contrasting from each other. It is also used when we try to explain why something did not happen. Let us see one example. He hit the ball. He dropped the bat. Children, here the boy hit the ball. He hit the ball. He would have continued the game, but suddenly, on the second moment, he dropped the bat. So, he got out of the game. So, how we will be joining these two sentences? He hit the ball, but he dropped the bat. Now children, let us see for more examples. He went by walk, but came back by bus. Meera is good, but also naughty. I am tall, but my brother is short. Sunil is neat, but Mohan is untidy. So children, let us see one story how Balu used his conjunction power and joined words.
I can join anything in the world, says Super Balu. Can you join this? Asks Gul. There you go. Can you join this? There you go. Let me see you join these words. Oh, look, he has joined the words. How did you do that? I used my conjunction power, says Super Balu. But what is a conjunction? Conjunctions are joining words. They join words and sentences. So instead of saying, Crow has an apple, Crow has an orange, you can use the conjunction and to join the two sentences into one. And the sentence will now read, Crow has an apple and an orange. Here, and is a joining word. How about another example? Jojo can go to the circus. Jojo can go to the astrologer. You can use the conjunction or to join the two sentences. Jojo can go to the circus or to the astrologer. Let's take another example. Thud is big. Kitty is small. You can join the sentences using the conjunction but. Thud is big, but Kitty is small. So there you go. As glue is to paper, conjunctions are to words. They make English easier by simply joining words.
So children, here we will stop. Till the time, stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching.